Hello friends, welcome to today's creative journey where we transform simple bottles into magical X-Mix decoration. There is not just about craft, it's about recycling, reusing and creating something beautiful for the season while keeping our minds joyful and stress-free. So, gather your old glass or plastic bottles, some jute, paints, ribbons and let's begin this fun and healthy crafting experience together. Every year, millions of bottles are thrown away and end up polluting the earth. But with just a little creativity, we can turn waste into wonder. Recycling bottles into craft not only reduces waste but also saves energy and money. And the best part, it gives us a chance to be creative, to express ourselves, and to spend quality time with family and friends. When you recycle bottles into X-Mix decorations, you are giving them a new life, turning something ordinary into special, something extraordinary. Imagine a plain bottle glowing with fairy lights on your table. Glowing with fairy lights on your table, or painted with snowflakes and stars, shining bright in your living room. These crafts remind us that beauty can come from the simplest things. Now let's explore some amazing bottle craft ideas for X-Mix. Bottle light lamps. Take a clear glass bottle, place fairy lights inside and you instantly have a glowing X-Mix lamp. Decorate the outside with ribbons, bells or even glitter to make it festive. Use white acrylic paint to cover the bottle. Draw cute eyes, a carrot nose and a scarf with colorful fabric. Have an adorable snowman that kids will love. Now let's talk about jute and burlap bottle decor. Wrap bottle with jute, rope or burlap fabric. Add pine cones, some ornaments or cinnamon sticks for a rustic farmhouse festive vibe. Now we talk about centerpiece bottles. Use 3 bottles, paint them in red, green and gold and tie bows around their necks. Place them together with fresh flowers or branches for a stunning holiday table decoration. Paint the bottle red, add a black belt with golden buckle and you have a cute Santa Claus decoration perfect for gifting too. Recycle bottles, vases. Don't throw those soda bottles away. Cut and shape them into vases. Decorate with paint, lace and ribbon and place fresh flowers or artificial holly inside. Fill a bottle with water, glitter and small X-Mix figurines. Seal tightly and you have your very own DIY snow globe. Benefits for mind and well-being. Now let's talk about this. Crafting is not fun, it's healthy for the mind. When you work with your hands, wrap jute around a bottle and paint snowflakes or tie ribbons, your brain relaxes. It reduces stress, improves focuses and gives a sense of achievement. Especially during the busy holiday season, bottles craft gives you a break from screen and worries. It's like meditation, calm, mindful and joyful. Crafting together as a family also builds stronger bonds and create memories you will cherish for years. So every time you recycle a bottle into something beautiful, you are not only saving the environment, you are also healing your mind and heart. This X-Mix, let's celebrate creativity, recycling and mindfulness. Take those empty bottles lying around your home and give them a new purpose, whether it's a glowing lamp, a rustic cute design or a fun snowman. Every piece you make will carry the warmth of your love and imagination. Crafting is not just about perfection, it's about joy. Thank you for joining me in this festive bottle craft journey. Wishing you a very happy festival filled with creativity, peace